Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Mia, your podcast host. We're talking about English fluency today. Why is speaking English so hard? My friend Liam is here. Say hi to everyone, Liam.
Hey everyone, it's Liam. I'm excited to talk about fluency. English is tough for me sometimes. Let's learn how to improve, Mia.
Great, Liam. Let's dive in. Many people want to speak English well, but they pause when they talk. Do you pause a lot, Liam?
Yes, Mia. I pause often. I think in my native language first. Then I translate to English. It makes speaking really slow.
That's super common, Liam. Thinking in your language slows you down. It hurts your fluency and grammar. Why does this happen to us?
Good question, Mia. Why do I translate everything? I want to speak English faster. What's stopping me?
You think in your language, then you translate to English in your head. Translation takes time and effort. It makes speaking feel so hard.
That's so true, Mia. Sometimes I say things wrong, like I have hunger, instead of I am hungry.
Exactly, Liam. That's the problem. Your native language affects your grammar. In some languages, I have hunger works, but in English, it sounds wrong.
That's annoying, Mia. How do I stop translating? I want to think in English. Can you give me tips?
Yes, Liam, there's hope. You can train your brain. Think in English. Skip translation. Here are 5 easy ways.
5 ways? I'm ready. Tell me the first tip. I want to start today.
First, label everything around you. Put English words on objects, like door, chair, or lamp. It helps you think in English.
Label things? That's cool. So I write lamp on my lamp. How does that help my fluency?
It makes English part of life. You see lamp, not your word. Your brain connects objects to English. Over time, you stop translating.
Wow, that sounds simple. I'll label my room today. Maybe my desk and books too. What's the next tip, Mia?
Narrate your daily life. Talk about what you're doing. Like, I'm washing dishes now. Say it in English always.
Narrate my day? That's fun. So I say, I'm eating breakfast. Or, I'm brushing my teeth. Does that really improve fluency?
Yes, Liam. It works great. Your brain links actions to English. You stop thinking in your language. It becomes automatic with practice.
Automatic? I love that. I'll try narrating my day. Maybe when I'm cooking dinner. What's the third tip, Mia?
Talk to yourself in English. Imagine conversations or situations, like, I'm at the store. It's like practicing real life.
Talk to myself? That's weird. Won't people think I'm crazy? But I want to try it. How do I start?
Haha, it's a bit crazy, but it's okay, Liam. Talk quietly if you're shy. It builds fluency really fast.
Okay, I'll try it. I'll imagine talking to friends. Like, hey, let's go shopping. What's the fourth tip, Mia?
Keep an English journal. Write about your day every day. Use simple sentences. 5 minutes. It trains your brain to think English.
A journal. Sounds easy. So I write, I ate lunch, or I watched TV today? How does writing help speaking?
Writing helps you think in English. You practice making sentences. It makes speaking easier later. Your brain gets used to English.
That makes sense, Mia. I'll start a journal tonight. Maybe write about my day. What's the fifth tip?
Break bad habits, Liam. Don't watch movies with native subtitles. Don't take notes in your language. Don't translate everything in your head.
Oh, I do those. I watch movies with subtitles. In my language, not English. Is that really bad, Mia?
Yes, it's bad, Liam. Your brain focuses on your language, not on English words or sounds. Use English subtitles instead.
English subtitles. Got it. What about taking notes? I write meanings in my language. Should I stop doing that?
Yes, stop it, Liam. Use an English-to-English dictionary. Write definitions in English only, or draw pictures for words.
Draw pictures? That's fun. Like draw a bird for bird. I'll try that, Mia. It sounds like a game.
It is fun, Liam. It helps your brain think English. No translation, just English words. You'll speak faster soon.
This is so helpful, Mia. Label things, narrate, talk to myself, write a journal, break bad habits. I'm excited to try these.
I'm glad, Liam. These tips work for everyone. If you practice, you'll improve. Fluency is possible for you.
I believe it now. I'll start with labeling today. Maybe narrate my dinner too. Any more advice, Mia?
Practice every day, Liam. Even 5 minutes helps a lot. Be patient. Don't give up. Mistakes are okay when learning.
Mistakes are okay? Good. I'm scared of making errors, but I'll keep practicing daily. Thanks for the tips, Mia.
You're welcome, Liam. Let's talk more about fluency. Why do we pause when speaking? It's not just translation, right?
Yeah. What else, Mia? Sometimes I forget English words, or I'm nervous to speak. Does that hurt fluency too?
Yes, Liam, exactly. Forgetting words slows you down. Nervousness makes you pause too. Let's fix those problems.
Fix them? How? I want to speak confidently. Tell me more, Mia.
To remember words, use them. Repeat new words every day, like table, book, or coffee. Say them in sentences.
Repeat words. Okay. So I say, this is my table. Or, I drink coffee daily. That helps me remember.
Yes, Liam, it does. Using words makes them stick. Your brain remembers them better. Try it with 10 words.
10 words a day? I can do that, Mia. What about feeling nervous? How do I stop that?
Nervousness comes from fear. Fear of making mistakes. Practice speaking in safe places, like with friends or alone.
Safe places? Like home? I can talk to my mirror. Will that help my confidence?
Yes, Liam. Mirror talking helps. You practice without judgment. You hear your own voice. It builds confidence slowly.
I'll try mirror talking. Maybe say, "Hi, I'm Liam." Or practice a conversation. This sounds fun, Mia.
It is fun, Liam. Fluency is about practice. Small steps every day help. You'll feel confident soon.
I'm motivated now, Mia. I'll label my room tonight. Narrate my day tomorrow. What else can I do?
Listen to English daily. Watch English shows or podcasts. Know subtitles in your language. It trains your ear.
English shows? I like that. But I use my language subtitles. Should I switch to English ones?
Yes, switch to English subtitles. Or no subtitles if you can. Your brain learns English sounds. It helps you understand better.
Okay, English subtitles it is. I'll watch a show tonight. Any shows you recommend, Mia?
Try simple shows, Liam, like comedies or cartoons. They use easy words. You'll understand and laugh.
Cartoons? I love those. I'll watch one tonight. This is getting exciting. Fluency feels possible now.
It is possible, Liam. Keep practicing small things daily. Label, narrate, talk, write, listen. Your English will improve fast.
I believe you, Mia. I'm ready to try everything. Maybe I'll talk to my dog. In English, of course.
That's great, Liam. Your dog will love it. Practice anywhere, anytime. It all helps your fluency.
Talking to my dog? Funny. I'll say, "Good dog, sit." Or, "Let's go for a walk." Will that help too?
Yes, it helps, Liam. Every English word you say counts. It trains your brain. You'll think in English soon.
This is so cool, Mia. I'm excited to practice more. What about reading English? Does reading help fluency?
Haha, your dog's lucky. Reading, talking, narrating all help. Keep English in your life daily. Fluency will come naturally.
Naturally? That's awesome. I'm starting to believe it. What about English conversations? How do I practice those?
Find a language partner. Talk to someone in English, maybe a friend or online group. Real conversations build fluency.
A language partner. Nice. I have a friend who speaks English. I'll ask him to talk. Any tips for conversations?
Keep it simple, Liam. Use short sentences at first, like, I like your shirt. Don't worry about mistakes.
Short sentences. I can do that. I'll say, nice day today, or I like coffee. That's easy, right?
Yes, super easy, Liam. Start small, then add more. Conversations get easier with practice. You'll feel confident soon.
I'm excited, Mia. I'll talk to my friend tomorrow. Maybe we'll chat about food. What else can I try?
Sing English songs, Liam. Songs help with pronunciation. They're fun and easy to remember. Your brain loves music.
Sing songs. I love music. I know some English pop songs. Will singing help my fluency?
Yes, singing helps a lot. You practice English sounds naturally. You learn new words too. Try singing one today.
I'll sing in the shower. Maybe a fun pop song. This is making English exciting. Thanks for all the ideas.
You're welcome, Liam. English can be fun and easy. Try all these tips daily. You'll be fluent before you know it.
I believe it, Mia. Label, narrate, talk, write, sing. I'll do them all. Any final advice for listeners?
Yes, everyone. Start small. Pick one tip to try today. Practice 5 minutes every day. Fluency comes with time.
Yeah, listeners, let's do it. No more translating in our heads. Think in English, speak in English. Thanks, Mia, for this podcast.
You're welcome, Liam. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing, everyone. Bye now.
Bye, everyone. Speak English.